How can I fix the issue of my computer typing backwards?
Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to be addressing an odd but sometimes occurring problem, your computer typing backwards. This can happen due to a number of reasons, from accidentally hitting the wrong keys to a software glitch. But don't worry, we're here to help. Let's take this step by step and get your computer back to typing the right way round. Remember, patience and careful following of steps is the key here.
Check if your keyboard settings are correct.
Your computer might be typing backwards if the keyboard settings are incorrect. Here's how to fix that. Windows, 1. Open the control panel. 2. Click on Clock, Language, and Region. 3. Click on Language. 4. Under the Keyboards and Languages tab, click on Change Keyboards. 5. Check if your language and keyboard settings are correct. Mac, 1. Open System Preferences. 2. Click on Keyboard. 3. Click on Input Sources. 4. Check if your language and keyboard settings are correct.
Use the right-to-left override, RLO.
The right-to-left override, RLO, is a special character that changes the direction of the text. It's possible that you've inadvertently activated the RLO, causing your computer to type backwards. To disable the RLO, follow these steps. 1. Select the backward text. 2. Copy the selected text, Ctrl+C for Windows, Command+C for Mac. 3. Open a new notepad or text edit window. 4. Paste the copied text, Ctrl+V for Windows, Command+V for Mac. 5. If the text appears in the correct order in Notepad or TextEdit, then RLO was the issue.
Run an antivirus scan.
Sometimes, malware or viruses can cause your computer to behave oddly, including typing backwards. Running an antivirus scan can help detect and remove such threats. Use the antivirus software installed on your computer and run a full scan.
Update your keyboard drivers.
Outdated keyboard drivers could also be causing the issue. Here's how to update them. Windows, 1. Open the Device Manager. 2. Expand Keyboards. 3. Right-click on your keyboard, then click on Update Driver. Mac. For Mac users, keyboard drivers are updated automatically through system updates. So, make sure your Mac is up to date. And there we have it, folks. Those were some of the ways you can fix the issue of your computer typing backwards. We hope this guide helps you solve this quirky problem and gets you back to normal typing. Remember, problems with technology are common, but with a bit of patience and methodical troubleshooting, they can usually be resolved. Happy typing!